Sundays with Google. City lives are hectic, now that's a fact. But here's my mantra to deal with the stress. Get out as often as you can. And my recipe for that perfect summer getaway has 5 ingredients. A comfortable car, an open road, a destination in mind, the spirit to make it happen, and someone else to take the responsibility of not getting lost. We all want to go to some place we've never been before, try a cuisine we've never tasted before, and create memories we've never had before. Now there are some important checks that I like to do every time I go for a road trip. My favorite music? Check. Rare view to my liking? Check. Hawa pani for the car? Check. Garam coffee for me? Check. Tank full for the car? Check. Time full for me? That's my first stop. And my road trip BFF? Check. Come on buddy, let's hit the highway.
The beauty of living in Indian cities is that the hills are never too far. All metros across the country have cooler surrounds that can help you beat the summer heat. Whether you're in the east or the west, you live in the south of India or, like me, in the north, there's a hill station waiting to be visited. I'm leaving Delhi for a short getaway far from the traffic and the madness that comes with this city life. The plan is to head to Kasauli in Himachal Pradesh with a night's halt in Chandigarh. So there's like this series of endless dhabas in Murthal that you can choose from. And I have 2 things that I keep in mind. Look for a place that's super packed because it means the food is going to be good. Come on, everyone's going there. It also means that the table turnaround is so fast that the food is fresh. So let's find a place that is packed. And this highway has 1-star attraction that cannot be missed. So we've got Pehlwan Dhaba, we've got Sunil Dhaba, we've got Bollywood Dhaba. There's another Pehlwan Dhaba, lots of Pehlwans in Murthal. There's a Royal Murthal Dhaba. There's really endless choices. I have to make up my mind because looking at all these yummy options, I'm starting to get all rumbly in my tummy.
हाँ जी मैडम
गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग
हाँ जी,
क्या लेंगे मैडम
नाश्ता आपकी स्पेशलिटी क्या है?
स्पेशलिटी हमारे यहाँ पराठे हैं मैडम तंदूरी पराठे आलू प्याज का है गोभी का है पनीर का है मिक्स है ओनली प्याज का है ओनली आलू का है लस्सी है
ऐसा करिए सब ले आइए।
सब कौन से
अच्छा मैं बताती हूँ, एक आलू ले आइए, एक पनीर, एक गोभी और लस्सी भी ले आइएगा जल्दी प्लीज। हाँ बहुत भूख लगी है।
ओके मैडम ठीक है मैम
What should we do? I'm so hungry. I have a magic trick. This is an awesome feature. I mean, it reads and translates everything written in English, in Hindi and many other languages. So that makes traveling so easy because sometimes I'm in some parts of my own country and I'm wondering, what to order now? But now this is what I call a hearty breakfast. Just look at this beautiful safed makhan. What? I have a long trip ahead. I need to tank up. Seriously.
Now that Dhaba Darshan and Pet Puja is done, this is going to be one smooth ride.
Chandigarh,
all know that Chandigarh is known as this clean city, organized city. But what's amazing about this drive is that literally 2 hours before you get here, you can feel that. The highway is gorgeous. You enter into this super organized looking city. I can't wait to park my car and get out.
The city beautiful, as you call it. Bougainvillea Garden is there, Willis Cafe.
एक 10 का फाइन आर्ट्स कॉलेज है, मतलब वहाँ पे जाके सुकून से बैठा जा सकता है काफी देर तक.
We have a new mall, Lante, where everyone goes.
थिएटर, आर्ट गैलरीज, कला भवन, नेचुरल हिस्ट्री म्यूजियम है और ये यूनिवर्सिटी है.
There is this old famous Sector 17, which has outdoor shopping centers. Street food shops, like there's one in 9 Sector, Momos shop is there. They have very special wheat momos are there.
सेक्टर 8 में काफी छोटे छोटे खाने के स्टॉल्स हैं और वहाँ पे वो काफी अच्छा है.
There are very nice garden, rock garden, Sukhna Lake. It's a good place to go in the evening.
पंजाबियां दी शान वखरी है.
हाँ भाई किद्दा. It means hey, how are you?
बस यही कहता हूँ कि चंडीगढ़ आए हो यार, खुल के जियो, मजे से जियो और चंडीगढ़ देख के जाओ.
Every destination has a list of places that you must visit when on a holiday. So let's go check out the top 3 must visits of Chandigarh and what makes them a must visit. Whether it's shopping or sightseeing, the credit for the master plan of post-independent India's first planned city goes to Swiss-French architect Le Corbusier. The open hand is a symbol of the city of Chandigarh. This 85 feet tall structure is the tallest amongst many open hands that you're going to find around the city. And it stands for peace and reconciliation. Actually quite perfect for this city. More than 65 years later, this lovely shahar is still known internationally for its architecture and its urban design. Another top contender when it comes to must-visit spots for Chandigarh is the Rock Garden. This 40 acres of sanctuary in the heart of an urban settlement is a favorite with travelers and locals alike. It's clean, it's organized, it's innovative, quite like the Union Territory of Chandigarh itself. It's always the stories that draw me to a place. So here goes one about Nek Chand's Rock Garden, fondly named after its founder. It was the year 1957, 10 years after India's independence, and a government official secretly started building a garden. Today, that place has exploded into 40 acres of art and creativity. But that's not the most fascinating part. All these sculptures that you see here and the little pathways is built from throwaway material and waste from homes and industries. Come on. That's got to be a reason to visit the iconic Rock Garden. Through winding narrow alleys and waterways, going past sculptures made from broken bangles and walls made of sanitary ware. Another reason that makes the locals of Chandigarh super proud of their city. Just like these inspired wrestlers who sincerely practice every day in their akhada to bring accolades to their beloved city.
मैं वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनना चाहता हूँ, ओलंपियन बनना चाहता हूँ, चंडीगढ़ का नाम रोशन करना चाहता हूँ. मुझे कुश्ती करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि जब मैं बड़ा होऊंगा मैं बहुत बड़ा रेसलर बनूंगा और बहुत ढेर सारे प्राइज लाऊंगा.
चंडीगढ़ का एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अच्छा, हमें यहाँ प्रैक्टिस करके अच्छा लगता है. यहाँ पे रेस भी अच्छी होती है, खाना भी अच्छा, सब कुछ अच्छा है. यहाँ पे साफ सफाई होती है. सुखना लेक पे हम रनिंग करते हैं रोज. यहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अच्छा है सुखना लेक का.
I would definitely second that. This 3-kilometer reservoir was created in 1958 by damming the Sukhna Cho, a seasonal stream coming down from the Shivalik hills. Another wonderful gift from Corbusier to the city of Chandigarh.
यहाँ हर आपको जो भी आपको देखेगा वो हैप्पी देखेगा आपको.
hours on Saturdays we have a long walk, and also we do off-roading. And on our Sundays we plan a brunch to Kasauli. We leave around 10:30 from Chandigarh. We have lunch in Kasauli, we roam around, and then we come back.
Hey, that's my next destination. And a cue that it's time I call it a day on my summer getaway.
Hey, morning guys. I'm on summer getaways with Google in the beautiful city of Chandigarh, but it's time that we say thank you and bye-bye to this place because I'm out just for a weekend and I don't want to waste any time, so let's hit our next destination. Whew, the mountains are calling to beat the heat. Come on, buddy. Where are you? Let's figure out our way from Chandigarh to Kasauli. Okay. So it's not such a bad day today. Most of the line all along the route on highway and in the cities and in the town is blue. There's a little bit of orange, which means we'll get a little bit of traffic. Maybe we can make little stops to skip this traffic. Should we try?
I like the freedom that a road trip gives. Since I'm in no rush to catch a train or a flight, I can leave when I feel ready, go where the highway takes me, and stop when I feel like it. With the Google search on route feature, 22 kilometers outside of Chandigarh, I found the famous Yadvendra Gardens. These were built by the Patiala dynasty rulers. I've barely come an hour out of Chandigarh and I've taken a quick stop at the super popular Pinjore Fort, which is also home to the Mughal Gardens. Now clearly this place is a favorite with the locals. Thumb rule of a road trip, make multiple stops but keep them short. And since I'm heading to the hills, I'm going to power through the highway for the next 30 kilometers till I find that perfect lay-by on the never-ending bending roads of these Himachali hills.
Done! Yes, yes! You know, the hills have everything that you can possibly need for a summer getaway. The jacarandas are bursting with color. There's a nip in the air. There are funny, furry friends that come and meet you, and there is absolutely no phone signal. That reminds me, here's a very important tip. So, the minute you get deeper into the hills and you think you're going to lose your signal, make sure you download your map because, trust me, the last thing you want is getting lost in the hills before you reach your destination. Also gives me about 3 minutes to just hang about.
Sometimes I love how technology gives you the confidence to be just on your own without getting lost. Following my Google Map with its offline feature, I reach my next night's halt. Finding a place which overlooks swaying green trees, happy blue skies, and deep valleys with not a soul in sight. The getaway is getting even better. And the perfect way to end such a wonderful day has to be with a relaxing spa session. As I unwind away from the humdrum of the city, I can only drift with the thoughts of what tomorrow has in store for me. On the last day of my weekend getaway with Google, I let myself get charmed by this lovely little hill town while following my agenda of ticking off everything on my list of a typical hill holiday. First thing first, take a hike. No, quite literally. That's the very first thing you need to do to shed off the city stress. The second thing I want to do is go to a must visit. And in Kasauli, it's situated at the junction of Upper and Lower Mall, this landmark.
Most hill stations in India would have a church that dates back more than 100 years. Kasauli has 3 churches, but the oldest, largest and the most beautiful is Christ Church. If you're here on a Sunday for a weekend getaway, then come in the morning and you can catch the morning mass.
Regardless of their faith, residents and travelers all love this iconic structure, but some more than others. This intimate church with its cornices, pediments and exquisite stained glass undoubtedly attracts many. And even travelers like me who come back every other year may flirt with it briefly. But for Ashwini Kumar from Chandigarh, this is a true love affair.
So Ashwini, I have to say that I'm amazed that this clock that didn't work for 40-50 years and someone like you who does not have a background in this picked it up. तो क्या था ऐसा इस clock के बारे में that you decided इसको चलाना है?
First time तो सिर्फ इतना था कि ये clock देखा मैंने और लगा कि चलना चाहिए, है ना? पर बाहर से सिर्फ एक dial दिखता है, लेकिन अंदर it's very complex mechanism. So I keep searching on internet about the big pendulum clocks, and I found one man is Richard White in England. So
and through online communication, आपने ये fix कर दिया with the help of the army.
Yeah, with the help of army.
और कितना time लगा आपको ये fix करने में?
It's about 20 days to 1 month.
So I had come to see the beautiful church for its architecture and its stained glass work. And here I am, I've seen a clock that works exactly how it did 150 years ago. I mean, this has really made this weekend getaway worth it. God knows what else am I going to find in Kasauli.
The market ends on a roundabout adorned with a glorious statue of one of the greatest Indian hockey players of all times, Major Dhyan Chand. No, he wasn't born here, nor did he spend any time. I was curious too. But it's his Army Connect that has brought our nation's pride to this hill station. It also serves as a resting point for many tired feet.
I bumped into a group of happy people. This sir, अब 40 साल बाद आपका reunion है?
हाँ, हमारे डॉक्टर हैं सारे. कुछ डॉक्टर जलंधर से हैं, कुछ ये डॉक्टर साहब देवबंद से आए हैं, यूपी से हैं, तो कुछ बठिंडे से हैं, कुछ अंबाला से हैं.
प्लान किसने बनाया था?
एक अपन व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप बनाते हैं ओल्ड स्टूडेंट का, वो फिर उस आइडिया से हमने व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप बनाया. बाद में हम धर्मपुर में ना गेट टुगेदर पार्टी रखी है, रात हम वहाँ स्टे किया है, अब सुबह हम जहाँ कसौली में घूमने आए हैं.
What's just a weekend getaway for me is a life event for these jolly folks.
Will have a buzzing bazaar which is called the Mall Road. In Kasauli, at the end of the Mall Road is the Heritage Market, which is a lovely little cobbled pathway with a few shops and a few gems. Exciting to find a little shop filled with lots of trinkets. It's like a treasure trove and you always find the one thing that you want to take back home. Let's see what I find. Hello sir. I was just curious about these bells in your shop. Are they made locally?
These are made in Kasauli. These are my own designs.
These are your designs. That's amazing. And what is this material?
These are metallic bells. We make it from recycled tin barrels. And this whole stuff is, we call it polyfiber. We make it from recycled polythene bags.
Gorgeous. I'll definitely take one of these. Can I have this one, please? Sure. I told you, in these treasure troves, you always find the one thing that you need. I found what I would like to take home. This is recycled tin barrel. This is polythene, which is turned into this lovely bell. This is going to be hanging outside my house now. Perfect. Now, most hill stations will have a buzzing bazaar, which is usually called Mall Road. In Kasauli, at the end of the Mall Road is a heritage market. And then there's always that one famous sweet shop. For Kasauli, it has to be Narendra Sweet Shop. नमस्कार सर। हाँ, आपकी दुकान तो बहुत फेमस है। खुशवंत सिंह जी ने भी लिखा है और हर जगह रिव्यूज में भी लिखा है। तो आप क्या रेकमेंड करते हैं? यहाँ पर क्या खाएं?
बन समोसा सिर्फ कसौली में मिलेगा। बन टिक्की आपको हर जगह मिलेगा।
बन समोसा सिर्फ, मेरे को लगा बन गुलाब जामुन सिर्फ आपकी दुकान में मिलेगा।
नहीं, बन समोसा और बन गुलाब जामुन।
अच्छा, बन समोसा और बन गुलाब जामुन, तो मुझे 2 खाने पड़ेंगे?
हाँ बिल्कुल, अगर आपने दोनों का टेस्ट लेना है।
हाँ, तो दोनों खिलाइए। ठीक है। So this shop is really old, really famous, and literally you go online, you go on Google, you type Narendra Sweet Shop and you will get tons of reviews. Thank you, sir. Dono. My God. It's hot, it's fresh, and it's... Oh, this is so good. बहुत बढ़िया है, sir. It's everything you want when you're walking in the evening. But this is what I'm really curious about. A gulab jamun squashed inside a bun. Now this is taking fusion food to another level.
इसका स्वाद आपको ऐसा लगेगा जैसे आपने मालपुआ खा लिया।
He's right. बिल्कुल मालपुआ जैसा है। बहुत टेस्टी है। And no hill holiday is complete without going to the sunset point. Now most hill stations will have a place designated to watch this daily event, but you could find your own little spot. Google Maps turned out to be quite the perfect companion for this getaway. Always managed to take me to just the right places. Well, who wouldn't want to be in a place where even the peak of Indian summer, watching the sun is a pleasurable time pass? This sight alone qualifies my trip as the perfect summer getaway.